Are you looking for the best Samsung watch? In this video, we will look at some of the best Samsung watch on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description, so make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 1. Samsung Galaxy Watch 4 Smartwatch. Samsung is one of the most popular brands. Samsung Galaxy Watch 4 provides the greatest performance. It has a rotating bezel is present. It is durable and made up of stainless steel. It has a lot of fitness features available. It is available in two sizes. These are 42mm and 46mm. It has a number of different features available, including heart rate monitoring, blood oxygen monitoring, and fitness tracking features. It has the ability to monitor health metrics all the time. It has a GPS tracker available. It shows you accurate navigation. It has Google Assistant available. It is lightweight and affordable resistant and is rated up to 5 ATM. It has 90 sports modes available, which include cycling, jogging, running, fast walking, swimming. Number 2. Samsung Galaxy Watch 3 Smartwatch. It is from one of the most popular brands. It has good look and an elegant design. It has fitness tracking features available. It has the ability to track sleep and improved it from previous versions. This version of the smartwatch is thinner, lighter, and smaller. It has VO2 and SpO2 monitoring available. It has no blood pressure monitoring, but has a heart rate monitor, an ECG tracker, and is also able to track sleep. The sleep tracker is improved. It is expensive. It is compatible with Android versions. It is very comfortable to wear. It has GPS trackers available. It is able to monitor your heart rate 24/7. It has a beautiful design and a bright touchscreen display. It also has different numbers of sports modes available. The sports modes include walking, fast walking, cycling, swimming, running, etc. Number 3. Samsung Galaxy Watch Active 2 Smartwatch. It is one of the best Galaxy watches and has an active bezel. It is the best smartwatch with having beautiful design. It has a number of different exercises and workout modes available. It is water resistant as well as sweat resistant. It has offline Spotify music available. It has average battery life. It has no availability of blood pressure monitor. It has an affordable price. It has a touch sensitivity bezel available. It has a GPS tracker available, which shows you almost correct navigation. It has onboard storage of about 2.5 GB available. It is the updated version of the Samsung Galaxy Watch Active and has some updated functionalities. It has the ability to connect with Bluetooth. It has some sports features available, which include running, cycling, jogging, walking, etc. It is lightweight and easy to use. It has a heart rate monitor available, which has the ability to track the heart rate all the time. It has impressive features. Number 4. Samsung Galaxy Smartwatch. Samsung is a well-known brand in the smartphone and smartwatch market. It provides us with a great combination of style and functionality. It has a screen size of about 1.3 inches. The resolution of the smartwatch is about 360 x 360. It has an AMOLED display, which is bright and circular. It has a dual-core processor of about 1.15 Hz. The processor allows the smartwatch to do different tasks at a time. It has 768 MB of RAM storage and has onboard internal storage capacity of about 4 GB. It has the ability to store and play music. It has a good battery life, which runs up to about 4 days. It has the ability to run Samsung's Tizen 4.0 operating system. It is compatible with both Android and iOS operating systems. It is available in two different sizes. One of them is 42mm and the other one is 46mm. It has large and small bands available. You can choose it according to your size. Number 5. Samsung Galaxy Fit Tracker Smartwatch. This smartwatch is affordable and is an alternative to the Galaxy Watch, which is too large and expensive. It has a great AMOLED display. It is not the best for swim tracking. It is one of the best versions, which has sweat and water resistant. It is lightweight and has a good battery life. It has different exercise modes available. It has a thick band. It has a rechargeable battery. battery. It has a smart notification system available which shows you notifications of calls, text messages, and notifications from other social media apps. It has a GPS tracker available that tracks your distance, pace, and speed. It has a great design as well as great performance. It is made up of stainless steel and has large wristbands. It is stylish and is mostly used by professionals. It is comfortable to use.